What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm back here at Full Send FPV in Federal Heights. And tonight, I bought my very own Tiny Hawk 2. So the reason I bought a Tiny Hawk 2 is we are doing a spec race. Spec race, yes. So that means basically we're going to be flying Tiny Hawk 2's stock. You can change the firmware however you want, color it however you want, but you cannot change any of the hardware whatsoever. Use bigger batteries if you want, 1S, but that's it. So, this will be my first race. We'll see how it goes. Hope you enjoy.